I planted a blueberry in my garden and it's not thriving. Can I move it? It's a small plant and hasn't grown. It's in organic soil. I don't know what to do. Brittany on YouTube. So she planted a blueberry. Can she move it?
Oh, definitely she can move it. And the thing with that I would want to know is the pH of the soil.
Yes, yes.
Because blueberries like a very acidic soil.
Yes.
And you know, organic matter in organic soils tend to be higher in pH.
Exactly
So
right.
that might be part of the problem. It would probably do well in just regular soil, and make sure you put some acid with it after you get a soil pH test to find out what your pH is, because you're going to want to lower the pH to a 4.5, 5.
Which is low, yeah.
Which is very low.
Which is pretty low. Right. Yeah, get your soil tested if you can. Go to your local extension service to do that before you move it, to that next site, because you want to make sure that, it has the right pH.
Yeah.
Yeah, because blueberries pretty much need a very acidic site.
Yeah, I've had blueberries planted before, and they didn't do well, and the pH was off.
Yeah.
And just had to make the more acidic soil for it, and they did better.
Yeah.
So
I
hopefully that will help.
I think we know that here at the Family Plot too with our blueberries.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure that you get that soil, down to the level to where it can thrive, right?
That's right.
Because we want this blueberry plant to thrive.
True.
Yes. So again, get that soil tested. Soil acidifiers if it asks for that. But just wait till you get the results back from that soil test. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.